Yeah, I got a gunner in 3.
It's me.
Is nobody driving Striker 2?
I thought I saw somebody hop into the gunner seat of Striker 2. Or sorry, the driver's seat. I'm in the gunner seat.
Yeah, I thought someone was driving it too. I moved Strikers, but I was just sitting in the...
I have no idea how to drive it, so shut up.
WASD.
Is anybody riding in Striker 2 right now?
Yeah, there's like at least 3 people in it.
Okay, well I'm on the gun, I don't know.
Oh, it's
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
There's somebody moving it.
Oh.
Soldier, put your head back in the tank. Alright, I'm ready.
Alright.
Casually runs over some bodies on the way out.
Yeah, no big deal. We don't bury our dead here in Armorland.
That's not my body.
It's just casual.
Well, if I can figure out how to get out of this fob.
Oh, we're going the long way then. Okay.
Are we?
We're just running over all the stanchions here. Don't mind us.
Alright, 810, call sign, Tusk 1 is rolling.
Strikers are bumbling, but we are getting there.
We are a professional fighting force that can definitely get out of our own base.
Yeah.
I'm sure you are.
Yeah,
United States
Oh, we
of
come
America.
around here.
Whoop.
All right, and somebody's gonna have to hop out and open the gate.
Where is the gate? Is that past it?
Yeah, you just passed it.
Is it the one with the big tank in front of
So
it?
Striker 2, stop here.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, it's this little zigzag here. For the record, guys, I didn't build any of this. You just passed it.
Right behind us on the right.
Yeah, it's those tall walls on your right. It's that gap in them on the right-hand side there.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
What does turnout mean? Is that like to get out of
Stick
your...
your head out.
Ah.
Yeah,
It's kind of funny when I look down in the cockpit, I just see a dude in camos flying this plane.
So to open the gate, you just hop out and walk up to it, hit spacebar. Through testing, I only opened it like once, but it doesn't really damage the vehicle.
It's up. It's open.
My ingress point's going to be from the east, right?
Yeah.
Our run's going to be east to west.
Yes.
Alright.
Alright, I trust those soldiers to make sure nobody that's not supposed to be on the base stays out of the base.
Alright. We're all good?
So
Yeah,
far.
What kind of spacing do you want on us?
Let's do, I'm counting, let's count telephone, 4 telephone poles on the right-ish.
Okay.
Or left, yeah, I'm sorry. Direction's hard.
That's
okay.
okay, good luck. Am I right? I fly drones, what do I know?
Yeah.
Heyo. I don't know, I like being inside the gun view instead of looking at the exterior view. Call me crazy.
No, I'm with you there.
Oh, I was about
Oh,
to say,
you got
I
knocked
think
out.
IAD, yeah.
Now we good to go? Everybody good, or is somebody down?
You guys got hit. Striker 1 got hit.
Striker 1 definitely took IAD.
Obviously, it's still rolling.
Yeah, we're still good.
Alright, we'll just push.
Alright,
Oh yeah,
Tusk
my
1
mind
on
detector's
station,
going off.
influx east of objective area.
Somebody riding in Striker 1, can you go into the inventory of the Striker and grab yourself a Oh shit, I didn't put them in. Okay, never mind, scrap that.
Okay.
I could say
Oops.
grab yourself a mine detector, because I have one on my person, but I thought I put them in the strikers.
Do you
Must
want
just be in the MRAPs.
No,
Hold,
I didn't
convoy,
see
hold.
Yep.
I got contacts far. Looks like armed militants. I don't know how to pick the bearing up here, but they're in
You
a
can go
two-story house.
Left shift T. And that'll drop a tactical
Oh,
ping for the rest of
tally.
us.
Yeah. I got
Visual friendly convoy.
They're definitely holding AKs. Second
yeah,
story,
definitely holding
uh,
AKs. Looks like it might be a civilian in the truck outside the house.
All right.
I show 3
Yeah, I see
contacts.
two.
4.
3 contacts, 1 unknown.
Okay, Striker 3 is going to pull up a defensive position to the right.
Yeah, I'm having a hard time seeing it, getting bearings on what you're.
So if you hold K, it'll bring up a compass.
It's
Uh-huh.
240.
240.
Very firm.
Oh, yeah.
240.
Well, that's-
239.
All right.
There's this 2-story house.
Yeah. Is that our target building?
It might be.
I mean,
Yeah, I
there's
think
2
that's
dudes
our-
on top.
Are you-
one dude in
Are
front
you
of
looking
the
at this building out here?
Yeah, firm.
Copy.
Dropped a tactical ping on it. It's yeah.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and let's roll in on it, and we can stop shy and drop ordnance on it if we want to. But I think that's our target building.
No, that's not our target building. That's still outside of the city.
Oh, is it?
Striker 2, roll.
All right. Get to a spot. We'll call Kaz on it.
Yeah,
Jeez,
still. Sorry, go ahead.
What striker are you in?
I'm in Striker 2.
Okay.
Yeah. Just be advised that truck outside, so it's
Yeah.
12 o'clock, Striker 1 is now started up, and it's 2 unknown contacts.
Oh, they're
All right.
moving.
Yep.
They're moving.
All right. So I am going to pull striker 1 left, so that we can get fires on them.
Striker 3 take contact from the rear.
They got guns.
From the rear? Oh, yeah, I see him.
Yeah. Yeah, taking fire from the rear.
Striker 1, do you have shots
Oh.
on that house?
Confirm engaging Striker 2 hold.
099.
I got 3 tanks.
You just took a IED. What do you want us to do in Striker 2?
Yeah, dismount and let's engage the threat.
Very firm.
KIA 2 enemies from Striker 2.
Striker 3's not seeing those rear contacts anymore.
We have
Yeah,
IED
there's
we have
one more
IED
contact.
We have IEDs all
Fence
on.
line.
Oh, got him.
All right. This
He's
the
down.
house. Yeah, let's go ahead and drop a.
We need a
Let's drop
EOD
ordnance on that
spot.
house.
We
There's
need
somebody
a-
in that tower.
we
Striker
need
3,
EOD
tower to our
over
rear.
Striker 2. We have IED. in front of us, IED
I think that's a
behind us.
negative, but let me double check.
You throwing red smoke? Ooh, I gotta get out of here.
And that tower, top right side. I see a shadow.
I'm not seeing anything.
Okay, that's probably just the top of that tree behind it then. Also,
red
somebody
smoke
dropped
is-
smoke back there.
Yeah, that's
danger
all.
close.
Yeah, it blew onto us. A crunch. Just
Okay,
disregard the.
Striker 3 is
red
moving up.
smoke.
Hey,
I see the lays.
Yeah, red
Striker,
smoke.
Striker 3, do we
That's
got
my
a
lays.
EOD specialist? There's IEDs on the ground.
I do not believe we have an explosive specialist on board.
Where's
Oh,
that
we
shot
are,
at?
we are taking shots from something.
No, I think it's Ephraim doing his explosives. So we need to clear that house. Either we clear it with Kaz or we clear it with on foot.
Or what do you want to do? We're already on foot and it's like right across the street.
Yeah, I killed 2
Oh, shoot. No,
2
that's-
up course.
Is that in
Yeah,
front of us or about?
Yeah, let's go ahead and clear the house then. Striker 1, push up. Let's clear this house.
Striker 2 is providing overwatch.
Which is it? Which striker's down?
Striker 2.
Okay. Can Striker 3 push past Striker 2, or is the road?
The road is blocked, but I can go around the road.
I got hit with
I
like, a
have
little-
eyes on the IEDs. All right, Striker 3's in position.
All right.
I need a medic. Actually,
Yeah,
I think I can take care of myself.
Sorry,
Can we
what's
enter
going
that
on?
Door?
Somebody need a medic?
Yeah, but I think I can do it myself.
Alright, let me know how it goes.
Upstairs. If you
Yeah,
want to
I'm
push
good.
upstairs, I'm gonna clear upstairs.
Yeah. All right. I think we're clear. Let's go ahead and push on.
Nice little booby trap.
Are we leaving
it's-
Striker 2 behind, or is there a way we can repair it?
Nah, well, it looks like we'll have to leave it behind.
Alright,
Do you want to blow
I'll
it
grab
up?
I'll grab a toolkit
Sorry?
here.
Yeah. Do you, Ephraim? Do you have explosives, or do we need to call, or A10 need to drop ordnance on it?
There's still a IED right behind Striker 2. On the ground.
Alright.
Just,
Please step over.
V.
alright. How do I get... Okay, I'm gonna dismount Striker 2.
Might have to press V twice.
Yeah. Perfect.
I'm gonna jump into Striker 3 here.
Okay. Just for future, we really have to be cognizant of what we're driving over. If there's anything on the road that doesn't look like it should be there, stop, investigate it.
All right. Let's head out.
Should we take this as a learning lesson and drop another striker, or?
No, we'll go with
No?
2.
All right. So striker 3 is now striker 2.
All right. Rolling out.
Striker 2 is rolling.
All right. We're getting like 10 seconds out, probably. All right. There's target building on the right.
Okay.
All right.
Striker one.
Dismount.
Oh.
Okay.
You
Yeah,
want the
everybody
gun?
except for the drivers and the gunners out. Okay, striker 2 is empty.
All right. Assault force push up.
We got a contact to our right, heading down the.
Yep, I see him. He's on the wall.
I got him.
He's
Looks like a
running
civilian.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Assault force keep
Yars,
pushing.
civilian, no threat. We got a second civilian approaching the striker.
Yep,
also,
I got him.
no weapon. He's crouched by us.
Civilian
So he's
on
taking
coming towards
refuge.
us. Yep, okay. No weapon. Crossing.
I don't know why these guys are crowding by us. Is this a normal thing?
Maybe they know something's about to go down.
Crossing.
Yeah, they gotta know something.
Okay, I got contacts. Hostile contact. Permission to engage.
Yep. Go ahead.
Contact down.
Strikers are taking
Got 2
defensive
more moving
position.
toward you.
All right.
Straight
Striker
down.
1, drivers, and I'm gonna get out and help support on ground.
You
Okay.
wanna
I'm
throw
reloading.
a grenade over there?
I'm pushing up. Don't throw a grenade.
Okay,
I'm on
Striker
your
2's in position.
Two, I got a vehicle on our left-hand side.
Crossing.
Yeah,
He's
I'm
driving away.
Seeing him.
All right.
You want to check out
Looks
this
civilian.
house?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta clear the house.
I'm gonna throw out what is it, concussion grenade? Maybe not.
I'm stacked on the
So
right
cool, I can see you
door.
guys on the map.
I'd help put my gear up. I hit the wrong button for that. Okay, good to know.
Is that a? Hold on. I just saw. Okay, 2 non-armed combatants. Okay.
Are we breaching?
I'm stacked here. Ready?
Yep.
Yep, I'm on your 6, F3.
Friendly. Okay. Second floor.
I'm behind doors. Y'all go ahead.
Someone go out.
I think it was clear. You might have to. I think you're stuck in the door there.
Okay.
Might have to.
House clear?
Seems that way.
Yeah.
All right.
Now, that door hurt me. I'm stuck in some stuff.
So no joy at objective 1.
I'm stuck. Is there any way to get unstuck here, guys?
V.
B.
B.
Civilians don't know nothing.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're playing stupid.
Well, I wanted to-
Hey, be advised, I'm seeing 3 times believed to be hostiles in a building sort of down the street from you guys. It's the last building, I guess kind of like an L shape. You guys are at the bottom of the L, it's at the top.
Striker 2 up to the north now? Yeah, it is. Okay.
It's in grid 131-169er.
131169.
Confirm we're mounting back up.
Yes, mountain back up.
Roger.
One-
I'm blinded by the jet in my orbit here.
131169er. Let's see.
Are you seeing them in this area here on the map that I just scribbled?
Affirm. That top left house. The northwesternmost house.
All right.
Yeah, what happened there?
All right. Striker 1 can stay put where we're at and provide overwatch to the rear. Striker 2 can clear that compound.
We got a civvy on them and that's standing in the middle of the road.
So they're gonna be across this open field to our right, guys. And Striker 1.
Okay.
Striker 2 is, we're not seeing anything here.
Striker
Okay.
2, it's that building pretty much straight to your left.
Oh, I got him.
They're in a courtyard. One's moving around the back of the house.
It's 3 civilians. They're unarmed. One's a medic.
All right. All right. Let's Charlie Mike.
Oh,
Objective
I see
2.
what you're saying. Is that, is there an ambulance right by them and a small
Yep,
pickup truck?
Yep.
Yeah, I've got visual on those 2.
Okay.
All civvies.
All right. Striker 1's pushing objective 2.
Striker 2 pushing.
2's got 2 unknown contacts off our left here.
There's the car wreck.
I lost them in the trees.
We got
Somebody's taking
small
shots.
arms fired.
Yeah, I heard that. Yeah, it's coming from.
You want to slow up, boys? We already lost one.
Yeah, let's I'm gonna
we-
rejoin Striker 2 just so that we are in the same column now that we're taking a little more contact.
Where
'Cause
is
I
it
don't know where that's
coming
coming.
I'm hearing
I
the
think it's-
shots. I can't see where they're coming.
I think think it's coming from objective 1, to be honest with you.
What's the bearing?
Where we just came from.
Oh, I got him. They're on your right. Striker 1. They're armed.
Full?
Seeing a civilian truck across the river from you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, all I see.
The civilian truck is by
Give me
an ambulance that's friendly.
So see contacts in that courtyard. Let's see. I think
It's
that can...
250.
All right. Well, we're gonna keep pushing to objective 2, and we'll clean them up as we come back through if we need to.
I think that created a red marker. Should be marker 1.
Copy.
That's where I'm seeing the hostiles.
Strikers are pushing objective 2.
I see movement.
I got 2 civilians in the garage.
100 meters front.
Seeing someone's laser.
If you can see lasers, use that to guide him for,
Ooh, getting pops from the left. Yeah.
On your left, I think.
I see him on the map.
Yeah. We're gonna keep pushing. All right. Here's objective 2 right here on the corner. Striker 2, you're gonna be holding short in the curve. All right.
I see movement.
And dismount.
100 meters front.
Let's just do it.
Okay. Striker 2 holding here.
Dismounting.
Yep.
Everybody but the gunner and the driver.
Frame them under 6. It says you need to be patched up.
I got med kits here. I'm coming.
I got spares too.
Looks like he patched himself up.
Where did
Oh, no,
our
not quite.
where did our 8th go?
Yeah, I don't know.
The 8th would be Crunch, right?
No.
Yeah.
Crunch is our 9th,
Is he?
isn't he?
No, he's our 8th. I thought we only had
He's
8.
our 8th.
People on the Discord.
Oh, he is. Yeah. Never mind.
Frame, I'm on your 6. Let's push, boys.
Where's the objective? In here? Inside
Yeah.
this compound? Yeah, okay.
Yep.
I'm seeing a group of hostiles. I don't know what direction. I think that's to you guys west. They're pushing in close to you.
Well, about to get spicy.
Other
Striker
side
2.
of that same
I want to
town.
go in
In
through
front
this
of us,
hole, guys.
civilians,
They just moved out. They moved out.
That's good, man.
All right.
Frame, I'm on your 6.
All right. Striker 1's in.
Contacts!
Bird is blind.
That guy wasn't friendly. Holy crap.
All right. I'm gonna
I
dismount.
got runners, but they're civilians.
Yeah, I got
Oh,
eyes
we're
on them.
I'll clear it and then I'll take.
Striker 2 doesn't have a visual.
Okay, I'm dragging you guys back and I'm gonna.
I don't think you can drag.
Oh, you can't?
No.
Okay,
No.
Freem, you're revived. Roll back.
Striker 2 is rolled forward a little bit to provide overwatch.
Yep.
Cover me.
There we go.
Yeah, they're right
But
down
we're gonna
that
s-
alleyway. They're right down that alleyway.
We're gonna
I killed
stay out
one.
of the reeds so we don't get
Does
stuck.
anybody have like a lethal grenade? Frag?
Well, there's civilians in the mix too. That's why we.
Reloading.
There was definitely civilians running out with them.
Yeah, there
Let
was
me
at
take
least
point.
2 civilians ran out.
Okay, I'm on the left, watching right.
I've got no tally on thermals.
Clearing left. Okay, I'm going into the building. Ah, wrong button. Civilians in the building. Building's clear.
All right. I don't know if this is the best way to enter that or not.
So you
Are we
guys-
trying to go into this large compound here? Or?
Yeah, that 2-story. That's the second building in the for this objective.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and enter it here.
Yep.
Window looks clear. Yep. I'm falling. I'm falling. Ground floor clear. Second floor clear. Second floor balcony clear. Three hostels, that looks like it's about it. You need a little bit of healing there for him, you're bleeding.
I'm trapped by the door.
Alright.
When you guys exit, there's 2 civilians at the intersection. Just hanging out.
Coming back out to Striker 2.
All right. Second building in the target area is clear.
Hold on, I'm lost in this maze of buildings. Let me get over to you guys.
Ooh, what is that?
Where's contact?
Oh, sorry, that was me.
Oh, okay.
That sounded like an M4, not an AK.
I don't have the volume turned up. I can't hear anything going on in game.
Big Mac.
20 seats.
Oh. Question permission to hop in.
Sorry, I was just getting out of the muck. Gotta keep your combat boots clean.
From up here. Wish DCS had these clouds.
Right? 2 weeks.
You know it's bad when Armored 3 has better cloud.
Right? And better performance, although I'm not in VR, so I guess I can't.
Heyo.
All right.
Can you do this in VR?
No, you cannot.
I didn't think so.
That'd be a little scary.
That would be
Everyone's
just-
ready to push.
Okay.
Let's get kind of this far end road and turn down or a little bit before you start.
Copy. I'm just gonna push to the intersection here with these 2 civvies.
Yeah.
Holding.
Ooh.
Ooh, saw those IEDs hit.
Oh.
That's where he
Which Striker got
Oh,
hit?
shit. Yep. Striker
The
2's
one who
down.
just turned left. It's that black smoke.
Yep. Striker 2 is
Striker.
immobilized.
Do we have any like
Okay.
combat?
Do you want me to come pick you up?
No, continue. We'll push target area on foot from where we're at.
Copy. Do you want us to push forward then?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Copy.
That's fine.
I should probably turn in here so I don't get picked off.
Yeah, just in case there's any bounding mines or anything like that the striker tosses up into the air before they explode and throw shrapnel. Because those are out here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright.
On us.
2, I got a
Oh, there's-
civvy on her left.
Striker
we-
is holding with visual on the compound.
Alright.
Friendly's on the
We're
east
dismounting.
side.
This way.
Do what?
Stop,
Compound is the one on the right.
I got all those are civilians here to our left.
Jess. Yeah, from
Okay.
civies.
Whoop.
We're
Shots fired.
taking contact from the compound.
Yeah, we're on
Right ahead
we're
of
on
the
target.
walls.
So go ahead and start
Yeah,
pushing.
hostile contacts down the road.
On the road,
direction
on the road, on
direction
the road.
straight through. Yep.
On the
Hit
road.
him. Hit him, hit him, hit him. He's down.
Good shots.
Oh,
Another one
I
to
hear
the
more.
right. To the right of that building across the road.
Roger. Pushing up.
All right.
Wee!
Who's next? No,
That's
I'm
me.
on.
It's Fumes.
Fumes, I'm on you. Jesus.
One
we-
down.
Yep.
Reloading. Moving up.
I got your 60.
Roger.
All right, we're linked with the other
Backside's
striker
clear.
assault force.
Go on our left side around the wall. Confirm K on the one in the street.
All right, we're approaching target building now.
Roger. Trying to find a hole in the wall here to approach from the other side.
Put some hair around it.
Which building is the target building? 2-story?
We're at it right now. It's a
Yeah, you guys are at it.
Okay.
all right. Two civilians in target building. I think that's it. Is there a second floor to this?
There is a second floor.
Oh,
Shots.
Oh. Somebody's getting the pipe major rank.
Uh-oh.
Ready for order.
Top floor is cleared.
None of these guys are Abu. What's his name?
Muhammad Atif.
Muhammad Atif.
I was Abu. Yeah. Abu Muhammad Atif.
For some reason, like Abu Nasser was stuck in my head, but that's from Call of Duty.
All right.
Is here. Wasn't that from Homeland?
Oh, maybe. Go ahead.
Yeah. We'll call Joy on. We'll PID on one of the KIAs. And so
How many
now,
how many did we KIA from this location? We got the one on the street,
And I got the
Uh-huh.
one to the right of the building.
one to the right of the building.
Be advised, I got civilians walking up towards you guys.
so we don't have enough room in that striker for exfil, do we?
We might. We can try.
All right, pushing to you.
Contact, man. Contact.
Where?
Soldier.
There's civvies in that courtyard.
2 of them.
No room. Get on the roof.
Oh, I pressed space. I don't know what happened. There we go. Oh yeah, there's tons of room.
Nice and comfy.
Yeah, nice.
All right.
All right.
Where's our exfil? We
Straight
are straight,
Yeah,
right? Okay.
Yep, straight ahead.
There we go. If I could hit the right combination of keys, I could get rid of all the menus that I just button mashed.
Whoops.
Is that trash in the road?
Yeah, I got.
I had a feeling. I had
Oh.
a feeling. I had a feeling.
Ah man.
My mine detector is going off here, guys.
You guys want?
I had a feeling.
Yeah, we can do air exfil. We can go
Yeah.
to the one of the air exfils. So dismount here.
Everybody.
Yeah, we'll exfil by air.
Get to the chopper.
Get to the chopper. Oh yeah, my mine detector is going just fucking ape shit
Yeah,
here.
I think there's a whole bunch of trash just scattered in the road with a whole
Yeah.
bunch of bombs.
Yeah, it looks about right.
All right.
All right, so we're gonna sneak through the bushes here.
Yeah.
We can sprint the whole way because we have the no
Oh,
stamina.
nice.
Hey Uber, it's Christmas to your right.
Aha!
Default in the map, boys.
Heyo.
Oh, we're going that way. My bad, I got sidetracked.
You guys all running in one line or asking to get
I'm on
Murdered.
Your 6. I'm on your 6 minutes.
okay.
All right, this is our open field for medevac up here on the right, or alt exfil.
Yeah, it's up ahead a little further yet.
What's that airstrike on the open field? If you say so.
Yeah, we'll mark it with green smoke.
Hey, Aaron has been kicked from the match.
Yeah.
Oh, we're getting contact alerts.
Yeah, we're.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they're all over there.
Oh crap! Those
Oh,
aren't
we're
friendlies.
taking fire.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Rally on them.
Yeah. Anybody have any orange smoke handy?
Yeah, I do. Pop the orange on us.
On them, as far as
Them.
you can, close to them as you can.
Reloading.
All right, here, let me grab.
I'm gonna cross and go take cover behind a tree here and get some long
Hey,
shots.
can we get an airstrike here, Aaron?
Yeah.
Hey, can I grab 2 or 3 guys? We'll set up an L on this.
Yeah, I'll come with you.
All right.
Alright, then I'll hold the corner down.
Confirm orange smoke.
Is building with IDAP truck parked behind it.
Stand by.
Van covered wagon.
Green smoke.
Whatever
is
you wanna call it.
friendlies. They're
Watch
still
crossing.
All right, let's hold off and we'll wait for airstrike to finish.
Inbound.
You want me to cross the street?
Yeah, let's
Guns,
cross.
guns, guns.
Oh, whoa. Yeah, that's a little too close. Stay on.
Oh yeah.
That's weird. I didn't hear any of that sound except for explosions.
Yeah, I know.
The same.
I'll come around, give another one.
I
How was
hear a
that,
vehicle moving.
That was cool.
How was that?
Oh, they're still up.
I mean, targets. Alright, come around again.
I got a vehicle. Sounds like it's direct north of us.
I have negative
Yeah,
visual on any
Civvy
contacts here.
moving.
Alright, I'm gonna throw the right shift. He kind of has me pinned. He's on that market building, the 2-story big market building on the left hand side. He has me pinned right now.
I see him. I'm coming
I'm
around.
putting fire on him.
Let's wait for this.
I can drop
airstrike.
a GBU on that building if you want.
Right there, where I popped that marker.
Yeah, GBU or guns.
Either I can't tell if they're civilians, so
Oh,
if we're trying
got
to
one
kill
down.
civilians, guns.
Alright, guns.
There's smoke. It's marked by white smoke.
You could go
White
rockets
smoke
too.
tally.
Are you
Inbound
coming in
guns.
from east, west?
East west, yep.
Targets marked northeast of red smoke.
Guns out.
All right.
Yeah, he's not alive
That'll do it.
anymore. That's for daggone sure.
All right. Hold Cass. Where assault force is
Hold
going
it.
to be.
Fast mover. 700 meters.
Nah, even from the cockpit, that mod makes it sound fantastic.
Yeah,
And you
sounds
should have seen it
awesome.
from the ground.
I don't see anything alive down there.
That building's leveled.
Yeah, man.
We're pretty sure there were no civilians.
There aren't anymore.
All right. You know what, man? We're gonna push the street. I'm gonna push on the other side of the street, and we're gonna go directly down to where we took contact from and clear it.
Copy.
I'm providing overwatch from the hill. I got confirmed KIA on truck building.
Holy shit, that is excellent work.
Yeah.
This is my battle buddy, so I'm forming back up on him.
Use your thunder, buddy.
Yeah, dude.
By the way, I do seem to be able to target lasers in missions, just not in the virtual arsenal.
I tell you what, man. You straight up leveled that building.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, there's
That was
there's
pretty,
nothing
It is
like
gone.
here.
accurate. That was like 100 meters away from us too, dude.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I was a little bit worried you guys might have been too close if I was inaccurate, so I tried my best.
All right. Yeah, we got friendlies on both sides of this, so
we're
I'm
good
gonna
now.
say we're most likely
Yeah, I'm resuming
clear.
orbit.
Oh,
East
we
of
got a.
objective.
Yeah, he's dead. Okay, confirm KIA.
All right, we'll hold on this corner and let's roll
One,
in.
do you want to push my position?
Do what?
PID, this is our target.
Yeah.
I'm hearing a vehicle again.
I'd say that's him.
Yeah, I'm hearing a vehicle 310 from us.
Visual friendlies. I got a yellow civilian truck driving around,
All right, let's
and I'm
Cool.
seeing another civilian truck, blue, driving around.
We call for chopper, yeah?
yeah, yep. Call for chopper in that open
Yeah, I'll
field.
make the call.
Is that me, or is that someone else? Is that AI?
With AI.
Cool. Didn't want to fly a helicopter. Don't even think I have it bound.
Heli says he's inbound.
All right.
Roger.
Request show of force.
Yeah, go
Here.
ahead. Approved.
I know what we're
flares
dealing with.
too. Ooh, who was that?
That was me. Showing force.
Oh. Eh,
I can't hear any audio in game, so
That's super weird.
yeah.
Show of force running from which direction?
To west.
Who's gonna get here first, the wipeout or the helicopter?
Right.
I'm supersonic right now. I don't know what you're talking about. Actually, don't know. This is kilometers per hour, so I might not be.
Oh, I got V on you.
yeah,
Oh,
nice. Got some
That thing
flares.
is quiet.
Yeah.
Oh, there
Yeah, I
it
can't
is.
hear it at all. Oh, that was a bit better, I guess. I hear the chop.
Yeah, here, chopper.
I think it-
inbound.
Flying.
Jesus Christ, the blades would be
Yeah.
coming off that thing at that speed.
Nah, it's AI. Give him a couple of boomerangs past the landing
Black
point.
Hawk or chopper.
Yeah.
Who's shooting?
Shots.
Contacts?
Contact somewhere.
North?
Yeah, request Kaz on that. Get us on exfil.
Where I can't see anything. It sounds like it's bearing 060 from our current exfil location.
You guys are all by the smoke, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah,
Fern.
oh, yeah.
Yeah. Shots coming from this region marked on map.
Say bye.
Oh, please don't crash the helicopter!
Okay, your squiggles.
All right.
Are we boarding the chopper or what do you guys want to do?
Yeah, let's exfil.
Yeah, visual hostiles.
Yeah, cleared hot. We're exfilling.
Friendlies are green smoke again, right? Friendlies green smoke.
Yeah,
Friendly green smoke.
Okay. Do not shoot in the area with green smoke.
Yep, don't bombs this one.
Weird, this gunner thing is broken here. I can only shoot inside the helicopter.
Oops.
How weird is that?
How did you even get into the
I'm
gunner
away.
position?
I don't know. It let me, so, but I don't think it's functional.
No.
Oh yeah, the external view, it looks glitched.
Didn't get all of them.
That is glitched.
This is a pretty tight.
He just had to park it in a worse spot.
I don't even know how he got in
West
there.
East.
I thought he was gonna crash. We're all gonna die on takeoff. I'm calling it now.
Alright, how do we get this guy to,
Okay. Again, if I can hit the right series of commands. Alright. You should be taking off here.
Wow, didn't crash. Bueno.
Now we're taking fire from the left.
Yeah, he's down between a couple buildings.
If can I shoot my? I really kind of want to see what happens if I fire the minigun into the chopper.
I think we all die if you do.
3,
Does it
ceasefire.
actually happen?
hey, if you still have some of those JDAMs left, you can drop a JDAM on that striker that's immobilized towards the fob.
Yeah, you got it.
I've got a view of the guy that's flying this chopper, and it looks like he's jerking himself off the way he's moving the stick.
Yeah, that's normal.
How mad would you guys be if I fired the minigun inside the chopper? I really want to.
Wait till we're all out.
Yeah, exactly. It won't screw up future missions if I do it, will it?
No.
Okay. It does nothing.
Yep, that striker's gone.
Nice. I would tell you that hearing you come in on that A10 was really cool.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Felt pretty awesome.
And I can't hear anything.
Did you like switch audio sources in the middle of the game?